This is a 650 horsepower, 5.7 supercharged Ram. But this is Fox performance, like Fox shocks. You've heard of Fox off-road shocks, I'm sure. This isn't a production one from Ram. This is a production one from
a tuning house.
Yeah,
that they work with.
Like just like you've seen Shelby vehicles, you've seen Celine, but you can just go buy one. There doesn't seem to be a limit on how many they're going to make. You can just go put your name down. There will be probably a long wait time to go. Basically, they go get one and then modify it at Fox.
What's powering it?
That is a 5.7 Hemi with a supercharger, making 650 horsepower, which is why it's called the DC650. This is a partnership with Direct Connection. So Direct Connection will do the upfitting with Fox. It will be warrantied. But rather than now, I don't know if you knew this, but Ram now has a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. They only do the 3 or 36. Not putting a whole lot of confidence on Fox's name there. Because as far as I know, the Shelby Fords are still warranted the same way. But
what else is different about this than the standard?
It's
Ram?
lowered 5.5 inches in the front or in the rear, and then 3 inches in the front. So it's sitting lower. It's got the new front fascia. It's got the highlights of color. It's got the bulging hood to make room for that huge supercharger, which they have not said how big it is. But to go from 390 to 650 is a freaking boatload of pressure. So they had to have done something to that 5.7 to take more than 7 or 8 pounds of boost, which if you want it to last any amount of time, you don't go over 8. They just blow themselves up. The rear main bolts just don't hold up, and you would have to do all new rotating assembly, new crankshaft, new connecting rods, new pistons. You have to do all of it. It's not just a supercharger and a body kit. It's a completely redesigned 5.7 Hemi as well. Wow. In a world where 18 months ago, we were all just in the doldrums about
pouring one out for the 5.7.
For the 5.7 being gone forever.
Still making them. What's the pricing on this?
Starts at $89.9, and then with all the options, it goes up to like $96. So there's not that many options. Basically, leather seats, a tonneau cover, and
yeah, it's
something
like
else.
That's Ram TRX money.
Yeah, but this is not for off-road. This is
like a street TRX.
Yeah, it also has functional hood vents. It's got MagnaFlow exhaust. Still maintains the 11,000-pound towing capacity, even though it's at a lower ride height. Thank you, Fox Shocks. The fact that this is a partnership with Direct Connection, just like that dragster, it's a bellwether. It tells us we are heading in the right direction with Dodge.
Well, and they're not using the Hurricane engine.
Yeah,
which is a very capable engine. They could have used it, but they're not.
They're not.